Hello and welcome to the complete C# 12 and .NET 8 Bootcamp. I am Darwish, your instructor for this course, and I'm excited to embark on this journey with you. Whatever you are completely new to the programming or looking to refresh and enhance your skills, you are in the right place. This course will take you from the very basics all the way to the expert level concepts, including the latest feature in C# 12 and .NET 8. Hello again and welcome. In this session we are diving into an introduction to C# and .NET 8, two powerful technology that are key to building modern application for desktop, web, mobile, cloud, and beyond that. By end of this session you're gonna understand what's basically C#. It's just a programming language developed by Microsoft in early 2000 as part of the .NET framework. C# is known for being a robust, type fast, and versatile language that allow developers to write high performance and application. And now let's talk about .NET. .NET is a development platform created by Microsoft that provide a unified environment for building and running application across multi-platform, whatever it's Windows, Mac OS, or even Linux. The .NET platform include library, runtime, and API that allow you to create wide range of the application.